If you have been making plain rice with chicken, you're missing out. This chicken pulao is packed with flavor, ready in under 30 minutes, and will change the way you cook forever. It's faster, simpler, and just mouth-watering. Rinse rice 3 to 4 times and soak in water for 30 minutes. Wash and drain the chicken and keep it aside. Now I'm preparing the curd spice. In a bowl, take curd. Add chicken masala powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala powder. Mix well and keep it aside. In a pot, boil water. Measurements are put in a description. Add 1 chicken cube and boil it. On a medium flame, heat oil or ghee. When it becomes hot, add the whole spices. Next, add Shahi Jeera. Let them sizzle for a minute. Add the sliced onions. Stir fry them on a medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Stir frequently so they don't stick to the bottom. When the onion turns caramelized, reduce the heat, add ginger garlic paste. Saute till a nice aroma comes out. Add chicken. Mix well. Now add salt. Stir fry on medium heat for 5 minutes until the chicken changes its color. Once the chicken changes its color, add the spice curd. Now saute until the oil starts to separate in about 3 minutes. Now cover and cook until the chicken is cooked at least 75%. Add the chicken stock boiling water. Also add soaked and drained basmati rice. Bring it to rolling boil on a medium-high heat. Check salt and add as per its required. Now add mint leaves, coriander leaves and lemon juice. Cook for 5 minutes, by which most of the water will be absorbed by the rice. Once the water is reduced, cover the pot and cook on low heat for 10 minutes or until the water is absorbed. Turn off the heat. In a small pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Pour this hot ghee on cooked rice. Now let it stay covered for another 10 minutes. If this chicken pulao made your mouth water, imagine what's coming next. Hit the like button, share it with someone who loves good food and subscribe.